Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back. Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can recognize object through structure. We'll also see a simple program in Python. We are going to discuss today's object recognition from structural information. What exactly we'll take into consideration? Here we'll take the structure information, and also we are going to take hierarchical and composite structures. This could don't see spellings one, okay? Composite structures. Okay. So let us see the program here. Object structure.py. So we are using a framework here, TensorFlow. This TensorFlow is really good framework. We'll have the model already trained for that. Okay. We'll have a simple training program, algorithm for that. And we are using NumPy and also TensorFlow. TensorFlow has different categories. We have Keras, we have different applications for that. Okay. Now we are giving the image part. For example, I can give you the image of cat. You can give the image of dog. Okay. We are loading the image based on target size 224 to 24. We can it's based on the MobileNet V2 model. We could change the model for now. But for me, I thought this model is really and it will take the predictions based on the model. Okay. So program is relatively simple. The TensorFlow will do all of the work, all of the predictions it will do based on that. So we'll load the image, input image.jpg, we'll do the prediction, recognize the based on the image path, and we'll do the prediction, how far the prediction is. Okay. Let me now show you what exactly are we seeing the image. For example, so this is the image which we are going to send. It's a simple dog. Okay. It's a simple dog. If you can see the image, simple dog and simple image which we are going to send. Let me close the command from this open. Yes. So now I'll just run Python object structure.py. So it will take a little bit of time because the framework is running on the backend. So it will recognize based on the name. We'll try to Google it. Okay, what exactly that name represents. So now it has identified three things here. It is Beagle or Saint Bernard or Benham Spaniel. Okay, let us copy this Benham. Okay, let us Google this. If the dog is same what we saw. Okay, it is the same dog which it has discovered. It has used 61%. Now let us see one more scenario. So this is the cat. It has to identify what kind of cat holds. Okay, and let me run this one now. Python object recognition.py. Now again, it will take a little bit of time because it has to make predictions. It has to analyze each and every pixel of the cat. So now it identified mostly it is a tabby. Okay, so let me copy this. Let us see whether it is a tabby or not. Tiger cat it identified 14%. Egyptian cat identified the 8.50%. But still it identified some. Okay, as you can see, it is the same cat which you are seeing. This is a tabby cat. It has recognized. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.